the hair inside our body system. Okay, so there are certain genes. Okay, that causes our hair to be like this. Okay, so there are certain things or molecules inside our body that controls the outside appearance. Okay, so when you look at people like albinos, when you look at people like white people, when you look at black people or colored people, so each and every single character or characteristic that we see on we observe on different organisms, different species, okay, all those are controlled by what we are calling the genes, okay, and where do these genes come from? The genes come from our parents, okay. So when our parents actually have sexual intercourse, okay, so we understand that there's an egg that is being fertilized by the sperm, and within these, reproductive cells, such as the sperm cell, the egg cell, okay, within that we have now what is known as the DNA, okay. So we understand that the genes are basic unit of inheritance, okay. But I want you to understand one thing that people don't understand about genes, okay? So a gene is the molecular structure, okay? It's more like something like that, okay? Okay, so a gene does not exist independently, okay? So a gene is found inside a nucleus. And then within a nucleus, we have this thing called the chromosome. Okay, we have something we are calling the chromosome. And now, the chromosome is more like a thread-like structure. And then on every piece of the chromosome, on every segment of the chromosome, okay, let's say we have some representational letters, okay, like A, B, let me use red one. We have something like A, B, C, D, okay, E, F, G. Okay, so now what you need to understand is that if we can actually imagine so deeply, is that this is a structure, a chromosome, okay? And then within the chromosome, we have these nice letters that at some point they tend to code to form a certain molecular code, okay? For example, I would say, let's say we have something called ABCD, okay? So this can be a gene, okay? Okay, so this one can be a gene, meaning that a gene you inherited, for instance, A, B, C, D kind of a gene, okay, that performs a certain function on your body, okay. So now, let's say, for example, this is a gene that is responsible for your skin color, okay, for your skin color. So, certain people don't understand how the cancer comes about, okay. I want you to understand one thing, okay. So, in the normal sense, this is a normal gene, okay. Now, the moment I tend to remove one piece of information, okay, or one piece of the puzzle that makes it to be normal, okay, then the functionality of whatever is controlled, whatever we see outside